Every tech product usually falls into one of two design categories: minimalist and aesthetic. But you know what? This Oraimo smartwatch falls right in between. This is the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite, and I must say it's easily one of the coolest smartwatches you can get under 25,000 naira right now. It comes in a light pink colorway that gives off a feminine vibe, but to be honest, I really like it. The design works surprisingly well across genders and pairs easily with almost any outfit. Plus, you get a super clean minimalist UI alongside other cool interesting features. So let's talk about it. What's up guys, it's Charselord here and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience using the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite. The Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite is a solid budget smartwatch that comes in a really cool color option, which is honestly one of the very first things you will love about it. When you purchase it, it comes in a sleek compact box that feels lightweight. Inside the box, you get your user manual, the magnetic charging cable, and the watch itself. Now, this smartwatch comes in a light pink finish. We didn't get a standard black this time, which is actually nice. Looking at the Watch Muse 2 Lite, the display looks really smooth. Even though it's a TFT screen, you can clearly see those subtle curved round edges that gives it a premium touch. On the side, you have a single power crown button alongside the microphone and the speaker grill. While at the back, you'll find the heart rate sensor, the magnetic charging pins, and a clear placement of the Oraimo branding. When I put the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite on my wrist, it feels really light and very comfortable. I really did not notice any form of discomfort while it's on my wrist, and I personally really like how small the screen looks as well. Now let's talk about the display. The Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite sports a 1.26-inch TFT display featuring a Tempered Panda Glass for scratch resistance, which is obviously one of the major reasons why I got this. I've had a couple of objects scratch against it, but you barely see lines on it, so on that part you got no issues. The color of this smartwatch is very nice. When you put on the smartwatch, people get to notice it first before your shoes. But here's one annoying thing about this color design. First, it can easily get dirty, though it can easily be cleaned. Permanent stays have no place to go, so they stay. Aside from that, I like the color design. You can easily connect the smartwatch using the Oraimo Health app, which is available on both Play Store and App Store. Once you've successfully synced the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite to your phone, you can easily navigate through it. But let's talk about what you get inside. You've got a simple intuitive interface you can navigate through. By pressing the side button, you can move from the dial to the menu options. Tap and hold on the power button to switch off or restart the smartwatch. Now swipe down to see the menu. Swipe left to view quick card. Swipe up to see notifications. And swipe right to see all measured rates. You can also double press the power crown button to switch your menu arrangement style. Unlike some smartwatches I've used, the crown on the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite can't be used to scroll through the menu options or select features, so you will definitely need to use your touchscreen for that. This smartwatch is built for workout sections. You've got over 100 sports modes to choose from, and while exercising, you don't need to worry about sweat or dust because it comes with an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite features Bluetooth 5.4, which is awesome for Bluetooth calling. From my testing, the call quality is solid and you can sync over 100 contacts directly from your phone. Alright, let's quickly do a call test.
Hi guys, so this is the call quality of Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite. Let me know what you think about it. I think the call quality is cool. Also, you don't have any disruption when it comes to making calls directly on this watch. I'm going to switch to the other phone right now so that you're able to hear from the other end and let me know your phone. Alright, so we'll switch to the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite. And as you can hear, everyone is very good. And I can have an issue when it comes to call quality of this smartwatch.
From the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite, you can control your phone's music volume, skip to the next track, or play and pause. Unlike the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite where audio actually plays directly out of your smartwatch speaker, on the Watch Muse 2 Lite it acts as a remote control while the music plays out of your phone. In terms of health tracking, you can monitor your sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen level. And for the ladies, you can track your health cycle right from the watch as well. You also get a handy daily utilities like a calculator, virtual assistant, remote camera control, find my phone, and weather updates. Plus, there's the inbuilt mini game you can play when you are bored. The Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite has some really pretty watch faces you can choose from. You can tap and hold on the main dial to switch between preset options, or jump into the Oraimo Health app to select custom watch faces, set your own photo background, or even generate your own AI watch faces. To be honest, the battery life on the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite isn't that really impressive. With all these features fully running or functioning, you barely get up to 2 days of battery life. It packs a 190 mAh battery capacity, which takes about 3 hours to get fully charged. Now, if you're just checking time on the smartwatch, you're likely to get over 5 days, right? But if this smartwatch is fully functioning, like you check your heart rate, you get notifications, everything is just working right, you barely get up to 2 days, and that's my personal experience. Overall, I think the Oraimo Watch Muse 2 Lite is a very solid budget smartwatch to pick up. I personally really like the design, I like the clean aesthetic, and that Panda Glass screen protection is a huge win. Plus, the watch faces are really cool, to be honest. Now, I think the only downside here should be the battery life. But what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The core quality, the design, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I remember, by using our coupon code, you're getting 5% discount off the price when you purchase from the official Oraimo e-store. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell as well. I'm going to see you in my next video, but for now, peace.